Hello everyone, I'm back with another card. I missed a card when I was showing you all the other one. This was the first card I got, was from a lady called Jean. She sent me a parcel with a lot of things in, and this was the card, and I hadn't opened this card when she sent the package. It was upstairs amongst all my books, and I just went upstairs just a little short while ago and I found it amongst them, so I had forgotten about this one. But this is another one of those very interesting cards. There was also a little bit extra inside which Jean sent me, with some postage stamps and a little bit extra for my bingo. But I'm going to tell you what else is in this card. It's another one of those telling you about the year you were born, which was, for me, was 1946. See, in 1946, the global population was 2,300,000,000,000. I think that, I don't know how I'm showing you because I don't know where it says is up the top there. That's the global population, and it was the Chinese year of the dog. And random facts were: Fred Ponting opened the first Ponting's holiday camp at Burnham-on-Sea, Somerset. First class cricket and league football returned after being suspended during World War II. Fresh daily milk was introduced in UK state schools to all pupils under the age of 18. The Bank of England was nationalised. Stevenage was designated as Britain's first new town to relieve overcrowding and replace bombed homes in London. And born this year was Joanna Lumley, actress; George Best, footballer; Janet Street Porter, journalist; Freddie Mercury, rock singer; Charlotte Rampling, actress; Bob Harris, radio DJ; Alison Steadman, actress; and Alan Rickman, actor. And hit singles were 5 Minutes More, Frank Sinatra; We'll Gather Lilacs, Geraldo and the Orchestra, which I think was on the other card as well; and It's a Pity to Say Goodnight, Billy Reid; and To Each His Own, Eddie Howard; and Rumours Are Flying by Frankie Carl. I think there was a couple of those on the other card as well. And popular books were Pippi Goes on Board, Astrid Lindgren; Titus Groan, Mervyn Peake; All the King's Men, Robert Penn Warren; The Moving Toy Shop, Edmund Crispin; Miss Pym Disposes, Josephine Tay; and top movies were It's a Wonderful Life, Notorious, The Big Sleep, The Best Years of Our Lives, Great Expectations, and The Killers. And it says on the back, milestone years. How much did things cost in 1946? Average house price was £1,459. I wish it was still that. I'd buy a few. Average annual salary was £214. That was for a whole year. That was average. I've just said that one. Morris 8 was £320. A gallon of petrol was 4 shillings. A pint of beer was 1 shilling and 4 pence. And a loaf of bread was four and a half, not pence, but 4 pence halfpenny. I have to remember how to say these things from all those years ago. And they were milestone years. And that was my card from Jean, who, I'm sorry, Jean, I forgot to. I didn't forget about it. You know, it was one of the first ones I got, and it was put away upstairs amongst my books because I wasn't going to read anything from it until it was actually my birthday. So that's just a little bit extra today. So thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll give you a little bit extra some more time. So bye for now.